Just finished putting together a Henry X 4570. On here we have a SJC Muzzle Brake. It's the Titanium Titan. Also got some Magpul bipods. Sling's really good. It's a nice soft sling. I really like the feel of it. I use the sling a lot when I shoot, so it's a good sling. Primary arms, red dot. And a recoil pad. So I just finished putting together a Henry X, and I guess you'd ask, what sort of put together? Well, a few things. That, this gun, this rifle you're looking at has never been fired. All right, I've never shot it. I've just been kind of building it over the last, few months, little at a time. It's been really hard to get parts, in this year with all that's going on. I started with this SJC Muzzle Brake, and this is a real cool brake and compensator. So I added that. So that's just because it's a threaded barrel on the X model. It was easy to just put that on there. Super easy add-on, and I think that's I fired with the SJC compensator on another 4570, and it was really effective. So I think it'll be the same here. I got this Magpul, these Magpul bipods. Now the rail that's on here, that just came standard with the rifle. We also have a slot here. I could put another accessory. So there's just so many things you can do with this rifle. So I've just been having fun with it. Got this primary arms red dot. Now you don't really, why do you put a red dot on a lever action? Well, it's not really designed for it. I guess really, you'd see them on assault rifles, but I thought, what the heck, I'm gonna experiment with a little bit. The fiber optic sights that come on here, they're really good. I really like the fiber optic sights. But I wanted to try red dot, why not? And I gotta say, the quality of this primary arms red dot is super good. Super happy with it. So I put a bore sight in the barrel, and got the red dot and the bore sight lined up. So we'll see what it does. Again, it's just an experiment. The rail, I added the rail, so that that was easy to do. And then I got this recoil pad, which again is, it's just a comfort thing. It's not a necessary thing, but, overall, a really great rifle. And looking forward to taking this thing out and shooting it and seeing what it's all about. But that's my my build. Hope you all like that.